And
But me never pay him no mind because I'm a friend man. Want to do you know my pussy no rule me, you know. I'm gonna walk and take my friend man, them I'm gonna fuck behind girl. That's why no girl can call up my blood clot name. Any girl will fuck with me, any man I'm gonna go with her after me. Not with me.
boy, girl, ever find a man and no try to spit out with your door, bad to bad. What do you think I would
I
try
know
to?
some I'm not gonna tell that girl, I always get some nice little straight man who like me, but sometimes I'm not even bother with them rock star because here my boy not gonna come to my house I expect for them to come sleep out my little 3/4 bed, you know. And you know come down out my light and my gas and not give me nothing.
But you get a 3/4 bed,
Yeah, them now come sleep it out. And me now make the boy come eat up my fridge. Me now run them blood clot joke. They make Shane tell you. Oh,
girl, you know your bed, iron bed already, you know, to come and feel nice, eh?
I know my bed comfortable rock stock and my mattress so they put my bed at 550 pound feet.
Girl, I'm not ask so much too much. I say, no, your bed, iron, so be nice, to make, right?
No, a good bed. I have good bed frame. My bed frame at 380 something pound. Good bed frame I have.
You
Strong your
sure,
fuck.
girl? You
Yes,
sure,
strong, strong,
girl?
strong, strong. Yes, strong, 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 strong. Next year come I got to cut my bedroom set and buy one big king size bed and give my
Mm-hmm.
friend a small bed where I have because him have a 2 bedroom
But
flat.
what nobody want the bed? The bed outdated. Nobody want the iron bed there. The iron bed now where?
Girl, my bed is no iron bed and you can't tell me nothing about blood clot bed because all of the shiny bed them where you sleep on. You look like you in a one crystal bath. You look like a one crystal ball you sleeping and you can never turn a sleeping beauty. So you come find with your blood clot shiny bed them where when light turn on in the house you can't see cause the glitter them are blind you know. Make my blood clot class up your bed them a stop glitter like blood clot
I
drop
don't have a
bottle.
glitter bed, Ratty. Right, I don't have a glitter bed. Me not no coffin
Oh
bed.
yeah.
Me not no
Your
coffin
boy
bed.
have no blood clot. You know, me in an argument with them. My girl, come off of this blood clot. Come off of this. Me in an argument with your blood clot. Because I don't want the shiny them like you. Because you don't have the shiny them. And you can't clean them. You make dirt change your color. So then in an argument with me, a blood clot. Come off of this and come suck me. My bed nice and blood clot posh. And my bedroom not crowdy. You know, have no shiny, and no glitter in it, blood clot. My bedroom just nice and look good. Neutral. My bedroom neutral. See a man. Come off of this blood clot. What more I want in my blood clot house? If I don't want a shiny, I don't want a sofa will look like coffin. A blood clot. I put up my phone, you know. Because I want to go up in the dark. I don't want nobody come right and grab my phone. The blood clot, you come over here, come tell me about shiny, for like say me I did old shiny blood clot argument. The greatest thing me not sleep on floor. Next Saturday have some of that come. Another that me have though. Another that me have though dolly too. Another bed that me have. Me have one of the old blood clot chocolate brown bed frame them with the iron underneath it. And my bed is the chocolate brown, me cut a board. Yeah? And that me have. Me in an argument with thinking rock star we smell like coke, we smell like Dan blood clad shit. What kind of question me? Me say anything what me want to say. Woman have the right to change them mouth. I'm a woman so I can change my mouth and say anything I want blood clad say. No question me. I'm gonna sit down right over here so I see where I go on first before me make a move. Me comfortable when me asleep, my foot not hang off of my blood clot bed. And the same when I go on my bed and I saw me wake up back and I cough from my blood clot in a I wake up and I twirl and I twist and my blood clot roll. And I have a big sofa with nearly 2,000 pound feet. And I pay 1,800 pound feet in a sale. My sofa big and comfortable and blood clot and strong. Yeah. Blood clot. I'm sorry I never want to poop up on a blood clot. Because I always come over here and go like something. When you know something but when I cross out back on the nasty blood clot. When I come talk about me not have no manners. I'm in this, I'm in my class up on if no one class me blood clot. I can't show my bed now because my blood clot in the park. But anytime I get the moment, you're not coming back over here. Move your out this. Rika, what you not come over here with the fuckery now? Because I'm going to hang up your blood clot. I hope you not come over here with the fuckery. My only one was I'm not sleep and go and I'm not catching a blood clot cool. Look how Steph they are far how much long and them say Steph not have my bed in her house not on a carpet. Look how Steph they are far how long and them say Steph not have my bed.
So mother.
Huh?
Where it go?
Right, that's what she gone.
So my have to cause your daughter so.
My class, anyone a blood clot because I always go I couldn't know something about me.
What you mean by Uno? What did I do?
Girl, if you want to include yourself when I say Uno, just jump on the wagon, girl.
What's going on with you today?
My inner my menstrues.
Yeah, area no. Where you wear tampon? Are you wear pad?
I wear the old flower bag, you know the old time white.
Are you wear pull-ups?
I wear the old time flower bag them what them used to remember them white flower bag there back in the days?
Yeah.
Alright? Yeah?
So all you for your menstrues are you gonna park?
Yeah, you see there one boy that just a call to me a while ago and ask me
The
what
boy
going
not call to your dirty bottom.
Jesus!
The boy know why you dirty bottom.
You
The
just hear
boy
the
not
boy say,
call to
well,
you.
daughter, you just hear the boy right past me. I go right, go down the stop, I
I
couldn't see
don't
the
hear
youth.
no boy call to you.
Who this up candle up? I'm couldn't go down the stop back, I'm couldn't see the boy on the bicycle.
Yeah, my mother, but you love to lie for your pum pum too much. You
I
no
you know
boy
what I
not
want to
call
do, my
to
girl.
you.
Girl, you know, just hear the boy say, what go on a
I
while
never
ago.
hear no boy say nothing about no
Girl,
pum
you
pum.
now go here because remember say you now look man in the park and the boy ride and I look man and man look that's why I'm say what go on. Me ain't no argument with you
So
know. May I ask you a question?
how is you
Me go
always
ask you
here
a
when
question
mother
when you come over here for?
for big
When your
up my
blood
good
clot come over here for?
for big up my good old mother and my good old tita them.
Girl, none of them all no good. I'm going me alone have that
Yeah
something
man, my
there.
tita them all good man, Miss P, Rock, Cammy. I would that over this now. Baby good as Keisha. Yeah.
Girl,
Sasha Mel. You know about Stallion, you know. Me kind of iffy.
girl,
Remember say you say you know Stallion father. So
girl. Man, I
me
think
no
you are
share with
all good,
Tita
my
me do,
love.
you know.
You know, I think so. I feel I'm such an hospital.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I can't agree. See the man them here run up and down in the park. A man them a look. You think them a run up and down? What?
So all the man them a run up and down but none of them now run come to you in your
Because
direction.
them now just won't come to you so that you have to stand up and you see the man them come approach you and they talk to them and them say you're right. Just like how you just hear the one say you're right a while ago. You have to say never hear. My
Alright,
girl,
so
I'm going
when
to
them
ask you
say
one question again. What
no,
do you really want?
Mother, listen to me ask a question. So what I know. So when them say, are you alright? I say nothing. What else happened?
Them just walk about them business.
Alright, so when you find one, what happened?
We just say all right, and we there talk, and them say what you up to, and me say what you up to, and them say what them up to, and me say what me up to.
And you just drop your drawers.
No, I
And you
just take
start.
out my brush them. I just take out my brush them. No, sir.
So you start sucking titty.
Eh?
You start sucking titty.
Not the one who want. That the one who want to tear off the cassette off of my other day for suck my breast them. I say one something to get the cassette off of me. The boy couldn't but I got to put my breast on the remote because the cassette hold them down.
No, sir.
Me no better wear it tonight. I'm not class. For other day, me learn my lesson. Me no wear it again.
Hey, it's to this. What say?
Yes, girl, the
Eh?
boy, what me do?
So what I know, Ratty? So
Uh,
bedding at the park?
you lean up on a tree. And you do a stand up and fuck. Yes, girl. You know, I can't stick on
No.
the live with him too long, though. Because the
Hey,
boy, they never stand down
hey.
in here.
You was strong, Batman, you know? Because you turn
Girl,
up
that,
and
you know
take
so much.
good.
You know so much on me have. Me
You
have
know,
me not piss up myself like that.
lay down and relax your muscles. You have to stand up and hold on upon a
Girl,
tree.
my muscles them easy for pull up. My muscles them
Bless.
easy for pull up.
Eh, Tita, on type in the comment section if you have any question for mother.
Them
On
can't
talk
ask me no
now.
blood clot question because me don't know them. And who them a come question? Who them for come blood clot question me? And who them come from for come question?
Because them want to know why you stay so.
Girl, you know, so me not and I me feel the time done long time. You should have
No, no,
consider
no,
yourself. But
no,
you know
no,
what?
no. No, 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 no,
Listen
no.
to me, girl. Me not in this holy part talking with you because it's business night tonight.
But you're there for your menstruation, so you got the business.
Girl, say you never do nothing for your menstruate.
No, no,
That me not,
no.
you know, me not like with you know, on the too perfect over here.
It's not a
That
matter
me
of
do like with you
perfect.
know.
A
All right then.
person, the
All
whole
right
of
then.
your
Good too too.
the whole of your kids them perfect. You know, sister, be a
Girl,
good
none
old
of them are
daughter you
perfect.
have.
I do all of them are be a rape babe. My
I
uncle come
be a
over.
good old I be a good old tita I have. As I say, I don't know about stallion, cause you say stallion, you're still a raffle stallion father. I don't know. You know?
Girl, girl, I'm bored up on the bicycle. You know, so me not like, I don't know why I'm over here keep up them argument with you know. While the man them a ride past me
No
and me not really work them
but I
over.
know me not hear no man say I.
Yeah, but true, me not there with them. Me not really a go with them. Them sit
Okay,
down one side in the park.
put the phone in your brassiere and walk up me ear when the man say I then me hear
You're not going to hear my blood clot business. Go here, I think me a papi show for your drunk girl. Let's come off of this blood clot and go here. Go put the phone in a blood clot. That's it, make it hear when the man say, you don't need to hear my man. First and for more, when the man them see the phone light, them run gone.
That's why if I put in the brassiere.
Them still a go sit a shining on my titty and them I think a camera me have to video them.
So mother, one question before you egg me up. Hey mother?
Eh,
So mother,
eh.
you have on brassiere now?
No, your mother never test not even cast it the me wear the whole of my breast them underneath the t-shirt cause anybody back me up tonight, them have an easy titty fit. So
Just like what John the back.
we don't look on that doctor stick thinking one day. Like other night, him and the man upstairs in a one tumbling. He hear the man not tell me this morning. Say him have to jump on the floor cause John and I said the man just walk and pick for everybody.
John, I met somebody.
No, but it look like the loneliness I kill the dirty man, yeah.
That's why you have to give him some mother. Give him some of the good
Me,
pum pum.
me, me, me celibate right now.
You what?
Celibate.
It's one game.
Me home lock up.
I tell you, no Batman delusion, man.
Girl, you know, me no know why you come over my life with all of this
Lord,
excitement.
watch
Cause
my
me
good
come
old
off of my
sister just
life.
joined. My good old sister, Dolly. I tita girl, me say mother over here, done you.
Girl, she know me not talk nothing about her.
Liar, tell.
She know she's my favorite though.
I, I wonder why. Mother, you tap, tita, you tap him up.
No, girl, them girl, yeah. No, me love. Them girl, they no look for me, me love.
Miss P say England people have different. Yes, nipple yet. England people say nipple yet.
I push my ear Satan Oko.
Uko say when from Wapia kill Philadelphia. You know what?
I my ear out one time. You know some ear she said one
Me,
time.
me
But me
old
never
good
take no
friend when
type until
Wapia kill
all of there.
Philadelphia. Me say Lord of mercy here there.
Yeah. My ear she said other day, but me never really want to run pan it.
Me love her. Yeah, I true Miss P. England people, them vocabulary different.
Man, I walk up in here and I think I may tell
All
I
right,
go.
quiet. No say nothing. Put the phone in your bosom. No make me hear the man say
India
I.
walk over so India couldn't go so. Me not look on the dirty man and sing and turn back now.
Your ear probably want cut on them, so you probably look like a
Allah, you
madman.
tell me ear cut and look nice, and if you favor madman, them can't see me in the dark. Me look pretty in the dark. You never hear that song there,
So what
girl.
on
You
the ratty? So what on
eh?
the ratty? So
Why you me go ask you, why you come over here? Why you feel the need to come over? Me like you know, say your time soon done.
you douche too?
No, me just shut up everybody will come near me.
I would ever tell me say, Batman a delusion and a douche. No man.
Of course, me do show my old. Them no must do show my old.
Mighty
After me
God.
no want my name called and shit like Pinky and them or they hear them shit and them Africans stink up in
But
our
but but
room.
but but Ratty, I detoxed this weekend, right?
And,
I did a 3-day detox.
uh-huh,
And behind my rear,
uh-huh.
it was burning so bad because I went to the bathroom so much time, you know? So
Okay.
and the stuff was coming down. So you
Eh?
take it up.
Because me do shit out and it come out, remember say me a good as you know, remember say you're not good as. You know, say me a come out of the part because the man them ya walk up and down, me not doing this with the what this what all the black boy, yeah.
Rockstar
And
say, you
do
know,
this
girl,
with
you
it.
say if I come out of the park.
A douche man, we douche out, we all, we have a douche bag and them something, we douche out, all of them something there.
But Ratty, nothing's supposed to go up there. Everything's supposed to come down.
Of course, you can't douche to them. Did you know that them have
Nah,
clinic over?
my guy no
You
never tell me some.
have clinic. You have clinic over here where man
My
and
guy
woman go
no
over douche
never.
out.
From I was born, growing up, on me a 40 year old, I never hear a woman a do short her body hole. Who not
No, because woman
delusional.
not take fucking of them body for. Hey, come off of this bumper blood clot, yeah, and
Yeah,
kiss out the blood
you.
clot. Come off of this pussy clot. Woman, what the woman a do short them body for? Of course, you have woman that do short them body. One to the porn star, them a take fucking of them body. Them do short them body. As them that shit up there. Yeah, yeah, money just come off of this blood clot. Me no body argument to do not pussy blood clot. Cause me nah do body. So me no body argument to do no. Come off of this blood clot. The bumper clot you know come over here keep up body blood clot argument with me for. I keep up my pussy clot argument with me. Me a big blood clot, smaddy. When I think of blood clot, pinky them days. The blood clot ask me no body nothing. And come off of this blood clot. How would the boy gone? Don't come over here come ask about no blood clot body. I can't use your blood clot body. Don't come over here come question me, man. You quit time up now, go away. And come off of the bad to bad. Me no want nobody for me life a blood clot. Me don't want nobody over here. Me no want nobody for me life. Nobody me no want for me blood clot life. Me no not talking with nobody. Blood clot, I want me teeth there. I can't find my teeth. I don't want nobody for me life. Me no come over here to talk about with Uno. I don't want nobody for my blood clot life. None of Uno me no want for ya. I like, okay. I go get a big blood clot cow foot later on. Worry yourself, brother. I go get a big cow foot and go home nice. I'm walk underneath the bridge. Yeah. Blood clot in a question. If at the night all I get cold.